Hi lovelies, welcome back to Onyx with Hill. I'm glad having you back and I hope you all are doing great. In this video, I'll be showing you an easy rice pilav recipe in few simple steps. Start by rinsing basmati rice severally under a running tap. The key to making the best rice pilav is to use long grain rice. This ensures your final dish stays fluffy and you don't end up with mushy rice pilaf. Once you're done rinsing the rice, leave it to soak for a couple of minutes before you drain it out of the water. Next, place a large skillet on heat. Add some butter and olive oil to it. Also add your sliced onions to the hot oil. Saute the onions for about 5 to 8 minutes until golden brown and fragrant. After that, transfer the fried onions into a dish and set aside. Now, add some diced lamb to the remaining oil in the pan. Toast the lamb for 5 minutes until it's no longer pink. You can then season it with a pinch of salt and a little bit of pepper to give it a nice taste. Also add minced garlic, stir and cook it for a minute until it starts to fragrance. You want to make sure all the pieces of the lamb are evenly spaced out so they get browned nicely at the same time. Once all the pieces of the lamb are beautifully golden just like this, it's time to add your sliced carrots. Mix the carrots together with the meat and cook for about 3 to 4 minutes until the carrots start getting soft. Next, drain the soaked rice and add to the contents. Toast the rice for 5 minutes until all the grains are nicely toasted and they are beginning to get browned. It's time to add some seasonings. I'm going in with black pepper, ground coriander, cumin, and salt. Stir the seasonings and make sure everything is nicely combined. Next, add in some dried raisins. You can add a couple of other fruits or nuts if you wish. Once everything has come together, go in with your hot chicken stock. You can as well use beef stock or simply dissolve bouillon cube in hot water and add to this. Cover the skillet and reduce the heat to low. Let the rice simmer on low heat for about 20 minutes or until all the liquid has been absorbed. Once the liquid is fairly dried and you are happy with the overall taste, return the fried onions and stir it to mix. Cover and cook this on low heat for about 3 minutes. You can come back to it again and garnish your rice pilav with freshly chopped parsley. Use a fork or a spoon to fluff the rice and make sure all the grains are separated. And there you have your very own homemade rice pilav in no time. So just look at this. You can decide to garnish this again with some fresh parsley and enjoy it right away. Thank you so much lovelies for watching this video. I hope you like it. If you did, please give the video a big thumbs up and share with others. You can subscribe to the channel if you are here for the first time, and you can also click on the bell icon to keep you posted. Until next time, bye lovelies.